friends, it's Stephanie Wonchala with Studio Pulse Center for Dance here on behalf of Alaska Teen Media Institute to teach you our hand-washing dance. Here we go. The music begins with tick, 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 and then you have a chest pop, a step and hit, and clasp the hands. So, tick, 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 and boom, ba, ta. One more time. Tick, 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 and boom, ba, ta. From here, we immediately start washing for a count of 8. You can sway your hips however you would like. At the end of that 8 count, we draw the elbows back, kick the bum, and punch fist into hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, changing on, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we send those arms up overhead, however you would like, and we begin washing as we take it around. Find a swing through the hips for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna get fancy. Bring those palms in front of the face. We step out to the side and we send the hands to the other side, wiggling the fingers in between for 1, 2, 3, 4. Change, bring it back to center on and other direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, the hands just stay together as the feet come together. We go for a dive. Up and over, 2, 3, 4. Wash those hands, and then you're gonna have to listen to the music because we go side, 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 roll it up, sprinkle that water off, and then dry it with a kick. And you got it.